Hello everyone, my name is Jacqueline and I'm the Community Science Outreach Coordinator for the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. And welcome back to a new season of Digital Science Saturdays. Amidst the pandemics, the wildfires, and the wacky weather storms, we hope that each and every one of you are staying safe. Like most of you probably are, the museum staff all seem to be going a bit stir-crazy being at home. So we've been putting all of our energy into making virtual lessons and events for this fall. Which brings us to the event we've been waiting all summer for, Digital Science Saturday, Fungi. Our Central Coast damp forests provide perfect habitats for all kinds of fungi, from toadstools to truffles, from yeast to molds. Our climate is even perfect for growing delicious mushrooms. Mushrooms are a sustainable food choice. They are grown locally. They require a small amount of land and water to grow. They are grown in beds of compostable agricultural material that is often turned into potting soil afterwards. Mushrooms are also packed with nutritious vitamins and minerals that can even boost our immune system. Today, we'll only be able to dip our toes into the vast world of fungi. We hope that you enjoy learning and creating something new. But before we dive into this new world, I want to show you how to make a spore print. So, all you'll need is some mushrooms bought from the store. I bought some Monterey Farms mushrooms and a white piece of paper. The first thing that you need to do is gently remove the tissue here, or the veil, and our stalk, so that you have an exposed cap mushroom and you can see all of its gills. Now, all you need to do is place this like this on a white piece of paper in a dark and damp place for 24 hours, and what will be left behind is a spore print. To get a more dramatic spore print, you can also make the gills more accessible by gently peeling back pieces of the cap. So the spores are hidden inside of the gills, and if they are left in a dark, damp place, they will gently fall onto your white piece of paper, creating an imprint. If you have any questions over today's course of activities, please be sure to join our Zoom call at 3 p.m. today, where we will be joined by Joe Navarez, a park ranger for the Monterey Peninsula Regional Parks District, who will be answering all of our fungi questions. The link will be provided in our description below. We hope that you enjoyed today's Digital Science Saturday and join us for more Museum to You content. Please stay updated by checking on our website, newsletter, and our social media. Have a fun day!